good angle, but we are going to Santali. Santali is a, I don't know, it's a statue. I think it's a statue, but also there's like a little garden area where we can sit down and have a picnic. And I'm just wearing glasses because I look so bad. I think I packed some things, but we're going to buy some things and then maybe do a cute little picnic. I'm going with my roommate. Guys, this is so beautiful. Like, it feels like a scene of a movie. Guys,
sitting in the car, listening to blind， 周边每个角落，只有你和我，不需要多说，笑得那么。
Hi guys, we are just standing. एकदमै गर्मी भयो, and now we're going to click some pictures and then go back home, I guess. Oh my god, pasina bhaya. Right now we're at flea market and I got myself a dress and we're just searching for something. Oh my god, it's so sunny again. Guys, we're returning back home. तर घर जाने बेलामा चाहिँ हामीलाई फाइन लाग्यो 50 युरो इच, किनभने हामी जाँदाखेरि यो आरआर भन्ने नै चलाएको थियो होइन, लाइक प्यारिसबाटै चल्ने भेहिकल चढेको थियो, ट्रेन चढेको थियो। मध्येन त्यो चाहिँ लाइक त्यो एरियामा नपरेर हामीले छुट्टै टिकट पनि किन्नुपर्ने रहेछ अरे। अनि मैले ठ्याक्कै अलि अगाडि किन कन्ट्रोल पर्छ जस्तो लागिरहेछ, फाइन तिर्नुपर्छ कि भनेर भनिरहेको थिएँ, जब कि हामीलाई थाहा पनि थिएन टिकट किन्नुपर्छ भनेर। ठ्याक्क आँखा बन्द गरेको त यसो हेर्दा कन्ट्रोल लेखिरहेको रहेछ। Sadly, अनि तिर्नु पर्यो and I feel so bad. So this is my look for today. I don't know how I feel about these glasses. I'm gonna change this, but I'm just wearing a plain white t-shirt with shorts, and yeah, that's it.
यो पार्ट हो एउटा चाहिँ
हाई भनेर न। गाइज हामी फाइनली आयो। नाउ वी आर सर्चिङ फर यिनीहरूको कहाँ छ ठाउँ। रिसेप्सनै छैन जस्तो छ त। ओए अब त मलाई कस्तो मुटु दुख्यो। गाइज हामी चाहिँ ब्याङ्क जान आँटेको, किनभने कार्डै एक्सेप्ट गरेन।
वेबसाइटमा पनि देखेन हो तिमीले देखाएको थियौ?
वेबसाइटमा केही नै लेखेको थिएन। गाइज त्यहाँ चाहिँ there's place to chill and then हामीले लकरमा हाल्यो। Now we're going to go. Okay. Wow, there's a Chinese temple. यो के हो? चाइनिज बेस्ट हो कि क्या हो यो इन्टायर थिम नै? विनर फर्केट आइसक्यो।
तिमी चाहना छ केवल तिम्रो न छुट्ने को अबाई कोठा मनका मुस्कान सुनसा छन् नखोजी
We just finished our kayaking and then we changed. अहिले चाहिँ यत्तिकै सनबाथ गरिरहेको। It was insane. हात खुट्टा पुरै सोर भइरहेछ। Sirani Niro. So I look so rusty and my body is like literally so dead. I'm not complaining about it, but then I'm also complaining about it. My skin is breaking out, so I'm back. I ate something and there's an impromptu plan that we're going Eiffel Tower today because we have not seen Miss Eiffel in a while. So I'm going to take a shower. It was so fun. It was so fun, the entire experience. I think because my paila was so different than what I did. There was a museum, I know there was like art pieces by different artists. So beach rivers ma, there was like windows and different like temples and stuff like that. Was super cool. And we changed on the exchange, we just stayed there and we came back home. It was a long way back home. So now I'm going to take a shower and then just wear something very simple because I have zero energy. I quickly changed my outfit. I have not, I don't know why I'm speaking like that. I have nothing to wear, so I just wore this. I'm so tired, guys.
Passengers, convoi commence par Osaka. Veuillez faire by celui musique navigant car.
What is your friend? Would English would it?
Oh, an English safari.
Information, just ask the staff member in any station.
Member. Okay, guys, now we're waiting for the train. What's the anti-light for that?
टिपेर खानु न त्यो पुरै बट्टामा ग्राउन्ड त टेस्ट